Please use this meditation with caution. It is extremely powerful. This meditation aims to impress your subconscious mind to make your specific person miss you so desperately that they have no other choice than to come to you instantly. Use this meditation only if you are serious about your specific person, because you might get very sick of them with the amount of attention they would need from you after listening to this. Don't say I didn't warn you. Now let's begin. I am irresistibly magnetic. This magnetism is pulling my specific person closer every second. I feel their desire to see me growing stronger every second. My specific person desperately misses me. They have no other choice than to come to me instantly. I feel their longing for me reaching new heights. They can't help but feel drawn to me. I feel their every thought filled with me. They can't shake me out of their mind. I feel the connection between us growing deeper and stronger 24/7. I can feel that their need for me is so powerful that they can't help but take action. I feel that every time I think about them, they're being pulled to me. I love how my energy creates an irresistible pull that they can't resist. I love how every part of me enchants them, no matter if I'm next to them or far away. I love how everything I do makes them want to spend more time with me. My presence is a gift to them. I love how every day my specific person invites me to thoughtful, beautiful dates just because they want to. I love how my specific person always plans special moments for us, taking the time to think of amazing date ideas that would make me happy. I love how they come to my doorstep with joy and excitement, ready to confess their love and spend quality time with me. I love how my specific person makes every effort to surprise me with thoughtful gestures, gifts, and planning dates without me having to ask. I love how I never have to chase their attention. My specific person comes to me because they genuinely adore me. I love how they take the time to plan our future together, all on their own, showing me their unwavering dedication. I love how their actions speak louder than words. They show up for me without hesitation. I deserve the love and attention they are showering me with every day. I trust that they are on their way. They know they can't stay away. I do not have to chase. They are already on their way to me. It is already done. Type "they desperately miss me" to affirm this meditation. And if you would like help manifesting love I can help you. All you have to do is head to joybyjanelle.com and I can help you manifest whatever you would like, just like thousands of my other clients. I hope you have a day full of love and joy, and I will see you in the next meditation.